I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy vegetable soup. Begin by washing and chopping aromatics and vegetables into even pieces for uniform cooking. Sauté vegetables gently in olive oil until soft, then add stock and simmer until tender. Puree with an immersion blender for smoothness, then stir in cream or coconut milk and adjust seasoning. Serve hot with crusty bread and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a cozy meal. For a silky base, pick vegetables that break down and add body, such as potato, cauliflower, or squash. Roast or sauté firmer vegetables first to concentrate flavor and encourage caramelization. Add delicate greens or peas near the end to keep vibrant color and fresh taste. If you prefer dairy-free, use canned coconut milk for a creamy mouthfeel without altering the vegetable profile, and season thoughtfully with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty on everyday wear. I find them perfect for long kitchen sessions and brisk grocery trips. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can shop easily. Now let's get back to the video. Aim for a pleasing contrast by pureeing most of the pot, but reserving some diced vegetables for bite. Season in stages. Salt while cooking, then fine-tune with pepper and an acid like lemon juice or vinegar at the finish. A final swirl of olive oil or a scattering of fresh herbs brightens the bowl and adds aroma. Serve immediately for best texture, and store leftovers in the fridge for quick reheats that retain flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.